Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty Boss Review. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to turn your bar soap into whitening shower bath. And in today's video, I'm going to be making use of Carotone bar soap. All right, guys, this is going to whiten you 3 shades lighter, and it's going to clean your skin of all impurities, give you a unified skin tone. So if this sounds like what you like to watch and hear, kindly subscribe and turn your post notifications. So in a bowl, I'm going to be using 2 bar soap, 2 Carotone bar soap, right? So guys, I'm going to be um, grating this soap into pieces. I'm going to shred them into pieces. So I'm going to be using the bigger part of the uh, grater to shred the soap. All right. You can do this however you want. If you feel like you want to pound this, you have the energy to pound, you can go ahead to pound. But I'm going to be doing this soaking method. This soaking method will help it to melt properly when you soak with any liquid. All right, but in this video I'm going to be soaking mine. So this is what the soap is looking like after shredding into pieces. This is beautiful to watch. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to add my rose water. This rose water is going to help the soap to soak, and this is actually a facial toner. It helps to hydrate your skin and also moisturize your skin. So this is Dr. Reina rose water. Guys, you can get any rose water of your choice. It depends on you, but this is what I love. So I'm going to make use of this and soak my soap overnight. All right, guys, kindly be generous with your rose water, as this is a shower bath, so you cannot overdo it. All right, so I'll be mixing this to enable the rose water incorporate properly. And one funny thing is, while I was trying to stir and mix, it kept lathering, it kept rising as if I added yeast to it. All right. So guys, when you're doing yours and it's rising, do not panic. This is how it is. Okay. So I'm mixing to get the rose water go round and saturate the soap, so to enable it soak overnight. All right. So this is what we have after soaking, and I had to use my stick blender to smoothen and blend this out. Guys, if you're interested in doing yours, like I said, you can use the pound method if you have the energy, but the stick blender and the soaking method seems to be the best method. So this is what I have. I'm going to be adding the next ingredient, which is my aloe vera juice. Aloe vera itself is an anti-inflammatory plant. It helps to reduce reactions, skin burn, any skin issues that you might be having, and it also prevents skin uh, reaction. All right, so the next is baby face cleanser. I'm going to be using this cleanser because it is ordinary, it does not have active, and it will go well in making my consistency of what I am looking for to be there. All right, so I'm going to be using one full baby face cleanser to activate the soap. Okay, so I'm going to use to activate the soap. So I'll be giving this a good stir to incorporate the babyface cleanser into the soap. The next I'll be using will be my DOP shampoo. This shampoo is filled with egg yolk and is very good for shower bath. All right, I usually use it to mix my black soap on my shower bath. This is good and it will help you remove any discoloration, any tanning, any hyperpigmentation on your skin. So I'm going to be using 2 of this DOP shampoo. It is good for shower bath, not for stay on product. Okay, you know what stay on product is? Stay on product are creams that you leave on your skin, but this is a wash off product. So I am going to use this to um help to activate the shower bath as well. So guys, don't be scared. This is a good shampoo for both hair and body. All right, so you can use it to incorporate your product and do your DIYs. After turning it into my mixture, I'm going to give it a good stir. Try to stir your uh, ingredients or products you use. Give it a good stir to incorporate well and blend well. Next will be the aloe vera juice that I earlier showed you. I've gone to prep it and blend it well. So I'm going to be adding the aloe vera juice. The reason for this juice adding is to prevent skin reaction or anything like stretch marks or hyperpigmentation or any skin burn. All right, so I've added my aloe vera juice. The next I'll be adding will be turmeric. You guys know turmeric as well helps to reduce inflammation, brightens the skin, improves skin elasticity, and also whitens the face or the body. It removes spots and also any face issues that you are going through. You know how powerful turmeric powder is. So I'm going to incorporate turmeric into this mixture today. The turmeric I used a little quantity because of how turmeric stains a lot, and each time you use it you keep having to clean up and clean up well because of the stains. So I added a little quantity of the turmeric powder. You can add more if you wish, but this is going to help boost the whitening effect of the shower bath. All right, so guys, the next will be my glyceptin. Also is to prevent skin reaction on your skin. um I'm going to advise that you add this to any of your DIYs that you're making. This will help a lot in preventing your skin from burning or preventing any skin problem or skin reaction. The next I'll be adding will be preservative, and the essence of adding preservative into your DIYs is to avoid it going bad, going rancid on you. And for the fact that I added aloe vera juice, I'm going to be adding my preservative. So I added preservative and I'm using my stick blender to blend this perfectly well, to incorporate and blend well. At this junction, you do not need fragrance. You do not need yeah, you do not need fragrance, so you can actually package this and store in your bedroom, in the dry parts of your bedroom, and use this. Okay, this will whiten your skin. It is that potent. All right, so guys, if you have watched to this moment and you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you can be informed each time I post a new video. All right, so this is how the shower bath is looking. I am liking the consistency. You can see how runny it is. That means it can come out from my bottle, my shower bath bottle. When I am bathing, I don't have to open the whole cover before I use to bath. So this is what I'm going to use to store my soap to use to bath. All right, guys, this is good. Like, I kid you not, this is a very good soap that you should try, whitening soap that you should try if you have skin discoloration, skin tanning, um, hyperpigmentation, any issue at all. So this is going to moisturize your skin, to not dry you out. It will not cause you any skin problem. It will not cause you stretch marks or um, patches on your skin or skin burn. All right. So I'm testing this on my hand to see how it lathers, even upon all the ingredients we use. It lathers so well. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.